So kindly unmute Goenka, sir. You're not able to. I'll do the
Yeah, it was saying I was not allowed to unmute. So, namaste, good morning.
Hello, sir.
morning, sir. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
Namaste, namaste. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Chaliye, nice to see all of you.
Thank
So,
you.
as per the schedule, the session will start at 11:45. So we have 15 minutes with us,
Hmm.
so that more participants can join. They were there during the inaugural. We have just ended our inaugural session, and we will start by after 15 minutes. So
No problem. So you want me to unmute? You want me to close my video?
Hello.
Yeah, perfect.
Hello.
Mike sir, I'm online.
Good morning, all of you. Myself, Kanika Agarwal, research scholar in Gurukul Kangvi Vishwavidyalaya Haridwar, welcomes you all in the Atal-sponsored one-week FDP on the topic blockchain. Today, in this session, I would like to welcome Dr. Shankar Goenka, an influential TEDx speaker, an author, coach, enlighten us all on the topic goal settings and subconscious mind. Well, before he starts, I would like to give a brief description about him to our respected participants. Dr. Shankar Goenka, Managing Director in Wow Factors in Faridabad. He's a member of UN Global Compact and the chairperson of Advisory Board Taru Foundation. He's a training partner of Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, channel partner with NSIC. He's also a national advisor of All India Talent Search Examination Children's Education Trust. He's a director of Urgent India Limited, trustee of Manav Mandir Mission, and a secretary of Goenka Public School. About his education, he did his BCom from Sydenham College of Commerce, Bombay, and done his schooling from Birla School, Plani, Rajasthan. Apart from that, he has professional working proficiency in many languages: Hindi, English, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi, Bengali, and Russian languages. Sir, that's incredible. Well,
But
it's
मैडम ये
not
आपको बट मैम ये आपको पता कैसे लगा है? तो मेरे कहीं सीवी में लिखा ही नहीं मैंने.
सर ये सब आपके लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल पे है.
अच्छा 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 ओके.
Well, it's not an end, and there are many more to come in the coming time. So without much ado, I would like to invite Dr. Shankar Goenka, sir, to enlighten us all on the topic goal setting and subconscious. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Will you give me screen rights, ma'am? Thank you. वो स्क्रीन शेयर कर देंगे आप मुझे? Yeah. So good morning, everyone. Can I see your pictures? Can I see your nice, beautiful faces? Can I request all of you to please switch on your cameras?
Sure.
Can I humbly request participant to please switch on your cameras? Thank you very much. नहीं तो मुझे लगेगा सब आप चाय पी रहे हैं मेरे से बात नहीं करके. So please, thank you very much once again. See, जैसे आपके फेस, आपके कैमराज ऑन होए, आपके चेहरे की स्माइल, and that is what I'm going to speak to you today. That smile लाइफ में कितनी important है. Thank you very much, Dr. Bhardwaj. Madam, can I request all of you, please, all the participants to please switch on your cameras. I'm going to, because I want to start my session with a small activity. So the people who knows me, they have seen me before कि मुझे. So Kanika ma'am, the second message I wanted to give is I'm doing my post PhD on facial expressions.
Oh wow.
क्योंकि हाँ, सो आपका चेहरा बहुत कुछ बताता है, सो इसीलिए आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग एवरीवन टू प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा सो दैट आई एम गोइंग टू थ्रू अ वेरी फन लविंग सेशन, दैट्स व्हाट आई बिलीव। क्योंकि खुशियां तो तकदीर में होनी चाहिए, तस्वीरों में तो हर कोई मुस्कुराता है, और मैं आपकी खुशियां आपके हाथ में आज लाने वाला हूं। सो प्लीज, कई लोग कंप्लेंट कर रहे हैं पैंडेमिक टाइम में ऐसा हो गया वैसा हो गया, मैं कहता हूं इससे बढ़िया टाइम जीवन में आ ही नहीं सकता है। So to all the participants who has humbly listened to me by switching on their cameras, so can I request all of you to please raise your finger like this? अपनी उंगली ऐसे उठाइए सब लोग। यदि कैमरा अमीरुल हक साहब, चंपक कुमार साहब, दीपाली देव जी, कैन यू प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमराज। सो आपने मेरे साथ क्या बोलना है कि मेरे, प्लीज आप चाहे अनम्यूट होके बोलिए चाहे म्यूट होके बोलिए, कोई बात नहीं, आपके लिप्स से मैं समझ जाऊंगा कि आप मेरे साथ बोल रहे हैं। तो आपने ये बोलना है कि मेरे चेहरे पर 44 मसल्स हैं।
44 मसल्स।
दोनों हाथ करिए प्लीज, यूज योर बोथ हैंड्स। क्योंकि अभी तक आपने सुबह से ज्ञान सुना, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू थ्रू वेरी प्रैक्टिकल सेशन। So again I repeat, what you need to speak with me is मेरे चेहरे पर 44 मसल्स हैं।
44 मसल्स हैं।
सिर्फ 4 मसल्स खाने के काम आती है, कि 40 मसल्स मेरे दिल में क्या चल रहा है ये मेरा चेहरा बताती है।
दिल में क्या चल रहा है वो मेरा चेहरा बताती है।
You know, so this is the power of facial expression. And to all ladies and gentlemen, the message I want to convey you today morning is कि only 7% is your verbal communication. 93% is your non-verbal communication. Whenever you meet someone in the life, 93% is what your non-verbal, your body language, what you speak. When you meet someone for the first time, आप अपना मन बना लेते हैं कि यार इससे मेरी बनेगी या इससे मेरी नहीं बनेगी। Are you getting my point? So the minute you meet someone for the first time, you already made up your mind. Am I going to be good with this person or I'm not going to be good with this person? So I hope you are with me. Can you please respond a little bit? Champak Datta ma'am, are you with me? Sir, everyone, am I audible correctly?
Yes.
Yes, sir. You are very audible.
So my second question to you is, please help me to understand what do you expect out of my session today? See, there are two ways. There are two things today morning. Number one, you are attending this session only because your institute told you, or it's a paid holiday program, or it's just for the sake of doing it. Number two, you really want to take something with you. So please help me to understand what do you expect out of me today. You please unmute your mic and speak for me for 10 seconds, 15 seconds. What is your expectation from my session today?
Good morning, sir. I am Dr. Shalini Srivastava.
Yes, ma'am. Namaste.
Some type of mindset.
I want to learn something from this session. It's just I want to have some takeaway. It is not because the institute has forced me to join this session.
Okay, thank you.
I really am looking forward for a great session.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Champak sir likhte hain, there is some problem with the camera. First class, as far as you are with me, I am okay. Anyone else? Also my request to, also my request, madam, thank you very much. So आपका जो screen बता रहा है, वो बता रहा है GKVFDP227. तो मैं आपका नाम नहीं पता कर पाऊंगा. So I would really appreciate if you can just rename, but it's okay. Please go on.
Very good. Very good morning,
Good
all.
morning.
This is Ambika Gupta, Assistant Professor from GLA University, Mathura. Actually, sir, I have joined by my name, Ambika Gupta, but might be the host has asked me that you people must be joined through a particular FDP ID. That's why I have
Okay.
renamed my name. Yes, sir.
First
Sir, actually,
class.
my instruments have not enforced me, but I wanted to learn the new recent trend in technology like blockchain. So that's why I have joined this.
Wonderful, wonderful. But I'm going to speak purely on motivation. देखिए मैं टेक्निकल आदमी नहीं हूँ, मैं तो हार्डकोर बिहेवियरल का आदमी हूँ. एंड व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू टुडे इज 90% पीपल इन दिस वर्ल्ड व्हाट दे स्टडी दे डोंट प्रैक्टिस एंड व्हाट दे प्रैक्टिस दे नेवर स्टडीड. So I'm going to take you through a very different program altogether, and I'm going to help you how to set your goals in life. You know, ma'am, I'm sure all the participants who are with me, they must have traveled by train sometimes in their life. Yes, no? आप लोगों ने ट्रेन से सफर किया है? Yes या no?
Yes, sir.
So when you go to the ticket counter and you say, भाई साहब एक टिकट देना, what is the first question he ask?
कहाँ का?
Yes. For
He
where?
ask जाना कहाँ पर है ना? So whether you have to travel from Mathura to Delhi or you have to travel from Delhi to Kanyakumari, the first question he is asked कि जाना कहाँ पर है? Whether you have to travel for 2 hours or you have to travel for 36 hours.
Yes, sir.
एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट इन आवर लाइफ इज कि हम 70 साल की जिंदगी जीते हैं, हमें पता ही नहीं होता कि हमें जाना कहां पर है. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू हेल्प यू टुडे इज, एंड यू नो, टू ऑल माय पार्टिसिपेंट, कनिका में मेनी पीपल दे कम टू मी, दे से सर हम तो बड़े बोर हो गए हैं. मेरा ये मानना है कि ओनली बोरिंग पीपल गेट बोर.
True.
Very true.
दुनिया में जो खुद बोर होते हैं उनको दुनिया बोरिंग लगती है, हमें तो टाइम ही नहीं मिलता बोर होने का. So that is the second message I want to give you. My third message to all of you is कि many people they come to me, they say sir बड़ा depression हो रहा है, बड़ा stress हो रहा है. So here I want to give you two things. Number one, you can handle stress, but you cannot handle over stress. स्ट्रेस आना स्वाभाविक है, नेचुरल है, कॉमन है. और स्ट्रेस आप खुद लाते हैं. जब आप अपनी इच्छाओं को ज्यादा बढ़ाते हैं, दैट इज हाउ ओवर स्ट्रेस कम. And my third thing I want to tell you is that 96% people in this world who are stressed and depressed, I repeat, 96% people in this world who are stressed and depressed cannot be treated with medical science. तो आप ये चिंता मत करिए कि आपको ये फर्क पड़ेगा कि बॉस हम लोग स्ट्रेस हैं, कोई दवाई हमको. नो, इट्स यू ओनली, यू आर योरसेल्फ इज द मेडिसिन. माय फोर्थ मैसेज टू ऑल ऑफ यू इज कि इस वर्ल्ड की जो सबसे बड़ी केमिकल फैक्ट्री है वो ह्यूमन बॉडी है. शादियों का मौसम है, लॉट ऑफ मैरिजेस हैपनिंग दिस टाइम. यू गो टू मैरिज प्रोग्राम एंड अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ योर्स वॉकिंग इन. आपकी बॉडी की जो केमिकल रिएक्शन है, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन बिकम्स गुड. वाओ, तू आ गई, कहां थी यार इतनी देर, कब से मैं तेरा इंतजार कर रही हूं. And at the same time, if you don't like someone and if he or she is walking in, all of a sudden you just get lost. So before I start, I want you to show you a small video. Enjoy this video and then we take it forward. So Kanika ma'am, you need to help me if my voice is coming in, if the sound is coming in with the video.
Yes.
आ रहा है साउंड, आ रहा है?
Uh,
अभी आ रहा
not
था?
sure.
नहीं अभी आ रहा था.
Can you play it again? No sound.
Sir, you
साउंड नहीं आ
have
रहा है.
share the computer sound actually.
तो मैं क्या करूं, मुझे थोड़ा गाइड कर दो प्लीज.
Yes, sir. Sir, please just again click on the share screen button. Might be there in the leftmost down corner. There is an option like just to play the computer sound or share the computer sound.
One second,
Yes.
please. So what I will do, I will cancel sharing.
Again,
Okay.
go to the share screen button.
Yeah.
Then you will get, yes, on screen. You have the option.
Optimize motion and video and share computer audio. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, done.
फर्स्ट क्लास। देखिए आपने सिखा दिया ना मुझे, तो आप हमारी गुरु होगी ना मैडम, तो इसीलिए सीखने में लाइफ इज या वंडरफुल। One
Sir,
second.
nothing
So
like that. It's our pleasure to have you with us.
no, please. One second. So now, yes. So okay. So this one, optimize computer and this. Okay.
Sir, it is audible.
ममता के मंदिर की है तू सबसे प्यारी मूरत। ममता के मंदिर की है तू सबसे प्यारी मूरत। भगवान नजर है जब देखे तेरी सूरत। जब जब दुनिया में आए तेरा ही आंचल पाए। जन्मों के दीवारों पर हम प्यार अपना लिख जाए। बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है जन्मों का।
How was this video?
Touching video.
To all my participants, how was the video?
It was very touching video.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So all my participants, are you still awake?
Yes, sir.
आप यदि जगह में हैं तो खाली आपकी शक्ल देखकर मैं बता सकता हूँ कि you are awake or not. So please help me and please be with me. So Sudhakar sir, how was the video? What is your reaction on this?
It's good, sir. Really touching.
So what is good about it? Yes, madam. Any one of you like to speak? Dr. Mohammed sir, you are there.
It is only about the when you get your mom, what is your feeling inside?
Yes, very important. See, life is not about feelings, sir.
Yes, true.
In life, what happened? Keep on thinking.
Yes.
But you know, it is very important to convey. प्यार करना से ज्यादा कहीं important है प्यार को जताना.
True, sir. Correct.
In life, what happens? We keep on thinking, oh, why the hell I need to tell you? You are my wife. I love you. No, it doesn't work like this. So life is all about feeling and experience, and that is what I'm going to do. That is
And whatever you have feeling inside, you have to express.
Yes, expression is very important, and 99% people in this world, they are not able to express.
True.
You know, sir, when people go to college, when children join colleges,
That's why they become old. They will become like that. They are not talking anything. They are like Anu's type.
yes. So when you don't share, you keep it to your heart, and when you keep it to your heart, everything goes for a toss.
And sometimes it will blast. You will blast on some other people.
Yeah, and it is bound to get blast. Also, what I want to request all my participants is, friends, please, I'm not talking about students today. I'm talking about your own development. Please work on your own personality. It is not important how much knowledge you have. It is more important how you are able to present your knowledge to the people opposite to you. There is so much of gyan going around. But most important in life is how you are able to produce that gyan, and how you are able to take that gyan to the next level is more important. Okay, so good morning everyone. I'm Shankar Goenka. I have only one wife and I have two children, Radhika and Parth, and I have academic experience, and then I got into teaching. So मेरे को इंडस्ट्री और इसका दोनों का छोटा छोटा अनुभव है, And what I'm going to do today is I'm only going to share my experience with you. So I hope you are ready, sir. And I hope you are ready, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay. So please help me to understand कि इस picture में क्या दिख रहा है?
Boy running with his dog. Pet.
Yes, everyone. Champak Kumar Datta साहब, दीपाली देव मैम, डॉक्टर शालिनी जी, डॉक्टर अविनाश शर्मा जी, अमित कुमार साहब, गार्गी गुप्ता जी, गरिमा सिंह जी, गीतिंग जोधानी जी. If you are there, please come on screen.
फॉलो कर रहे हैं.
डॉग को और करना क्या चाहिए?
फॉलो कर रहे हैं.
लाइफ में होना क्या चाहिए? साथ में चलना चाहिए या आदमी आगे चले, डॉग उसको फॉलो करे. हमारे जीवन में हम अपने आप को नहीं, हमें कोई और रन कर रहा है. एंड दैट इज व्हाई देयर इज सो मच न्यूसेंस इन आवर लाइफ. सी, हमने क्या करा है, अपना रिमोट किसी और के हाथ में दिया है. द पॉइंट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू इज कि प्लीज आप अपने आप पर कॉन्फिडेंस रखिए. आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक टू यू टुडे ऑन योर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, विच इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट इन योर लाइफ. वी गो डाउन, रितुपॉल मैम, वी गो डाउन बिकॉज हमें अपने ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है. So now I am going to ask you many questions.
मेरे 4 हैं, असाइनमेंट मेरे 4 हैं,
मेरे 4 हैं, काम इतना बढ़ गया है. रितु मैम, यू आर विद मी. इसीलिए मैंने सबसे कहा कि कैमरा ऑन करिए, नहीं तो मुझे मालूम है आप सब चाय कॉफी पकौड़े खा रहे होंगे. आई एम श्योर मेनी फैकल्टीज हैज डन लॉट ऑफ सेमिनार्स, बट बिलीव मी, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू थ्रू नेक्स्ट लेवल. बिलीव मी गाइस, देखिए सबको चाय पकौड़े, मुझे भी दिल्ली में ठंड बहुत है. आई आल्सो वांट टू एंजॉय दिस. आई एम गोइंग टू एंजॉय. प्लीज यार, बड़े बोरिंग सा सेशन हो रहा है, मेरे को तो मजा ही नहीं आ रहा है. प्लीज, who is the biggest animal in jungle?
Tiger.
Lion, tiger,
Elephant.
giraffe,
giraffe,
Please, giraffe.
cheetah,
tiger,
Yes, tiger.
Why is it?
Fox, sir.
fox,
Fox.
Cheetah.
Horse.
leopard, yeah, leopard, lion,
Lion.
कौन है लायन? Who is the king of jungle?
Yeah.
Yes,
lion,
Lion.
Human being, I think.
you know this. Say it confident.
lion,
lion,
yes, lion,
Lion.
Say रखिए.
the lion, king of jungle, lion,
I'm looking. So the who is the king of jungles? Ma'am says lion, and I say, ma'am, lion. और मैम घबरा गई कि यार लॉयन नहीं कोई और होगा. Your confidence plays very important role. So lion is the king of jungle.
yes,
But this is not what I wanted to know from you. What I wanted to convey you is कि why lion is king of jungle. न तो lion biggest है, न lion tallest है, न lion wisest है, और न lion fastest.
confidence,
He don't have any of these qualities, but still, in spite of that, he's the king of jungle. Why?
He's confident enough to handle everything.
His attitude.
Yeah.
He knows I can do this. If you want to progress in life, you should know I can do this. Our challenge in life is we don't have a confidence in ourselves and we say, nahi baba, mere se nahi hoga. But Dr. Mohammed, दुनिया में 90% people, they surrender when they're about to reach their goal. Hello, I repeat, 99% people in this world, they surrender when they are just 20% near to goal. There are two kinds of people. Mohammed, Madam Dipali ji, Dr. Shalini Srivastava ma'am, I want to convey you is in this time there are two kinds of people. Number one, they get up in the morning and they have a fixed goal. I have to achieve this goal, and they shoot at that goal. और दुनिया में दूसरे तरह के लोग हैं जो रोज सुबह उठते तो हैं, उठकर पहले गोली चलाते और जब गोली लगी वो जाकर अपना गोल वहां पे रख देते और कहते ये मेरा गोल है. आर यू विद मी गाइस? यार आपकी शक्ल नहीं दिख रही, मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा है. मेहरबानी करके 10, 20, 25 लोग तो आ जाओ आउट ऑफ 80, 90 पीपल. Dr. Mohammed is so patient with me. So, and Dr. Saab, there is a big difference in faith and belief. Times you have a belief.
Your voice is breaking. He was that rope having a bamboo in her hand. बंबू के सहारे से उस रोप को कवर करती है. So this girl used to do it every day. So Dr. Mohammed one, because her time was at 4 o'clock in the evening. So every day people used to gather and the people used to.
Voice is breaking. It is not clear.
My voice is
breaking.
No, sir, it's not.
Okay, 1 second. Give me 10 seconds. Give me 10 seconds. I will connect a new. हम लोग पता क्या करते हैं, हम दूसरों को कॉपी करते हैं. यार तेरा गोल क्या बता. But it is very important for us to set a goal for ourselves. And when you set a goal for yourself, that is how things go to next level. I have made this whole presentation for you, and I thought that I'll be able to share all these things. But so my part, sir, is it coming properly? I really don't know.
Yes, sir. Your voice is clear.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. You can continue. Your voice is clear, sir.
My voice is clear. Okay. So just give me a minute because my system has also started, and this time I feel it should go on well, because if I don't show you the PPT, my job will not be done properly. So just another 1